Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, good morning. Here I will present about motivasi in the English course with the lecturer Miss Safi. Okay, here I introduce Dewi Halifatus Saada from class PAI 2A and my college.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Cindy Damayanti.
Number 1, hadith about patience, which means patience when facing disaster is worth 900 degrees. This hadith emphasizes the importance of patience as an attitude that is highly valued in Islam, especially when facing trials or disaster. Number 2, definition of patience. Patience in Islam has a broad meaning, including resilience in the face of disaster, steadfastness in carrying out worship, and self-control from committing immoral acts. Number 3, types of patience. In Islam, patience is divided into several types. Patience in obedience, firmness in carrying out good, calms such as prayer, fasting, and other acts of worship. Patience in avoiding immorality, avoiding things that are forbidden by Allah, even though there is temptation to do them. Patience in facing disaster, remain steadfast and confident when facing life trials and tests. Number 4, the virtue of patience. The Quran places a lot of emphasis on the importance of patience. One verse that is often quoted is from Surah Al-Baqarah, and I that we will give you a trail with a little fur, hunger, lack of will, life, and fruit, and give good news to those who are patient, namely those who, when disaster strikes, they say, Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un. In that we belong to Allah and to Him we return. It is they who receive perfect blessing and mercy from their Lord, and they are the ones who are with. Next, it will be continued by my colleague, namely Cindy.
Slide 5, Hadis about pension. Prophet Muhammad SAW talked a lot about pension. The famous hadith narrated by Bukhari and Muslim. How wonderful is the affair of a believer, and his affairs are good from him, and that is not owned by anyone except the believer. If he get pleasure, he is grateful, and that is good for him. And if he is in thought, that is painted, and that is good for him. Next, slide 6, story of pension in Islam. Many stories from the Al-Quran and Hadith describe the pension of prophets and pious people. For example, the story of the prophet Job, who was tested by illness and loss of property and family, remained painted and had faith in Allah. The story of the purpose friend who remained and faced in the face of torture and persecution. Next, slide 7. Reward for pension. In Islam, pension is promised a great reward. One hadith stated that the reward of those who are painted is unlimited. In that only those who are painted will be rewarded with two limit. Quran Surah Az-Zumar. That's all and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.